I was asked by another empath how I'm able to go no contact or low contact with people. It's not in our nature not to show people that we care, and so it feels impossible to go no contact with harmful people. We may have grown up having to be aware of everyone else's emotions and feelings, while our feelings and emotions were never validated, so we feel guilty when we start to practice validating ourselves and how we feel. When we start to recognize when we don't feel right about someone's behavior toward us and start to practice setting boundaries, we might fear, quote unquote, hurting the other person for asking them to treat us better. Healthy individuals respond to our boundaries with empathy and recognize things in themselves that can change and improve, and they grow, and so we grow together. Healing and growing together is absolutely beautiful. Others respond to our boundaries without empathy and lack insight into themselves, and so there is no growth. It really sucks when this happens, but true colors are revealed through boundaries. When this happens, I recognize that I must let this person go. I hate it because I love being there for people, but what makes it easier for me to go no contact with people is that I tell myself I'm putting them in God's hands. To clarify, I will never force my faith on anyone. Everyone is loved and welcome here always. For me, I know that He knows how to speak to people in ways that I can't, and He can guide them to healing much better than I can. For me, going no contact is the ultimate way for me to show I care. I have released them into the best hands. So that's what makes it easier for me to go no contact. It's not easy, I hate it, but that's what makes it easier. In my next video, I'll share what it would take to allow people back into my life after going no contact.